Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Nikki Kitchen. It's been a while. I haven't made video for some time now. Being a grandmother and is very busy. So my hand is full with my grandchildren. So I help her sometimes to look after them. I'm really sorry, but I will be making my video more regular now. So today I'm making jollof rice, Nigerian jollof rice, basically because we have an event coming up, which is going to be Nikki Kitchen and Bedu Magazine together. So I'm going to do my cooking live that day. I want everyone that on my YouTube page to come out and support me with my food, because this is going to be live on the 24th Gala night and end of the year party. I'm going to be making my food there in the hall right there. You're going to eat fresh jollof rice. So today I've already made jollof rice before on my video, but I want to bring the memory back. So I'm going to do jollof rice again today, so to remind everyone what they're going to be having on the 24th. I'm using fresh tomato, I'm using big long pepper and big pepper tantache, and I'm using onion, rodo scott bonnet, and tomato puree, and mostly I need rice. So I'm using 5 cups of rice. This is my cup, so 5 of this make that. And thyme, and last on my list, not the last, second to the last, jumbo maggi. I normally use jumbo maggi all the time, so you can try and taste it because you don't need salt. If you use jumbo maggi, basically it comes with salt, so you don't have to add salt to your taste. If you like to add salt, it's up to you, but I don't normally add salt because anytime I use it, it tastes nice already without salt. So last on my list is my vegetable sunflower oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use sunflower, you can use olive oil, it's up to you, but today I'm going to use sunflower oil. So that is all my ingredient for today for Nigerian jollof rice. Please do follow me. Okay, I'm going to blend everything together. This is all my pepper, I put them in the blender, so I'm going to blend everything together, and the onion. This is it. I blend all the pepper, tomato, onion, everything together. It looks like this. So now you can see my pot is on the cooker. So I'm going to put my sunflower oil, so I put sunflower oil in the pot. I'm going to make it like really hot to fry my pepper. I'm going to make it really hot. As I'm saying, the event of the 24th is going to be Nikki Kitchen and Bedu Magazine event. Please come out and join us to have a fresh jollof rice, because I'm going to make really delicious jollof rice that day. I'm going to cook it myself in the kitchen. If you want to join us and taste Nikki Kitchen food, this is opportunity for you to come out and join us on the 24th of December. So it's going to be like end of the year party. Please do. And I'm going to give 2 tickets away for my viewer, Nikki Kitchen viewer, because you've been really great, all of you. I really appreciate you all. So I'm giving 2 tickets away. First come, first serve ticket. So thank you. Please do follow me. You can all see the sunflower oil is very hot now. Very hot. So I'm going to put my pepper. Yeah, I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes to fry. So I'm going to cover it for 10 minutes to fry. Okay. Yeah, this is it. It's frying already. So I'm going to add all my seasoning into it. Firstly, I'm going to put my jumbo maggi. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons. Yeah. Next, I'm going to put thyme, 1 teaspoon. And I'm going to use everyday seasoning. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon. Lastly, I'm going to add my puree. To mix it together. Make sure that it's not stick to your pot, that it's not burning. So mix it together. Right. I'm going to cover it back for another 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah, that's it. You can all see that it's really fried now. This is the result I really wanted before I put my rice. This is a perfect result. You wait for this time before you put your rice inside. It's really fried, so ready to add my rice into it. Wash the rice and I leave it to dry, so that's why it looks like that. So mix it together. Really nice. So I'm going to add the water. 2 cups of water to make it boil, because the rice is not cooked yet, so you need to add water for the rice to be cooked. Okay, yeah, that's it. I'm going to cover it again. This time is 20 minutes because I really want the rice to be like properly cooked. Thank you. Okay, yeah, I'm going to check it now. Make sure you check it time to time, because sometimes they get burnt and you won't know. Check it time to time, and if it's burning, reduce your heat. It's important. Cover it again. Okay, this is the event I was talking about. You can see very clear now. This is a Ghana night between Bed Magazine and Nikki Kitchen. Okay, this event is happening in UK. It's happening in UK, Edgware in London. It's going to be happening in Cavendish Banqueting in Edgware Road in London. So the ticket is £25 for chair, for normal table. VIP table is £50. So you get a lot of food and drink to go with VIP table. The £25 is where you eat as much as you can. You're going to taste Nikki Kitchen live on that day in the kitchen. And if you want to be my guest in the kitchen for that day, I won't really mind. So you have a lot to look forward to. So this is for between Nikki Kitchen and Bedu Magazine. You're going to try my jollof rice in hot and fresh, and you're going to try many food like pop-off. I'm going to make it fresh on the day. I'm going to make dundu fresh on the day. If you are interested, please go to bedumagazine.com and get the tickets. And I'm giving away 2 tickets, as I said earlier on. 2 people. I need only 2 people that first comment on this jollof rice I'm making. Get one ticket each, and I will see you that day. Wow, you can see it is properly done. My jollof rice ready. Only what you do is to mix it together so we get the same taste all around. My kid will enjoy this for lunch this afternoon. So you can see, if you want to taste Nikki's Kitchen jollof rice, please come on the 24th of December 2018 to celebrate end of the year party. I'm giving 2 tickets away, as I said from the beginning. So first and second person that first make comment on this my jollof rice, we get one ticket each to come on the day to try Nikki Kitchen's food. I really appreciate you all for watching my video. And please, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my video and put your comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice week. Thank you. Take care.